divine infinite human beings. You are all that is, ever has been, and ever can be. You are divine infinite love. You are divine infinite source. You are truth. Hello. Hello, hello from Terracini, Sicily. And I'm here with...
Domenico.
This is Domenico. He has lived all over the world. He's chosen to live here in Sicily because he wanted a simple life, just like I did. And he knows a little bit about 5G, but not that much. So what do you know about 5G?
No, what I know is it's not good for us, and it's not healthy. I think people above us should do something about it. Stop this. People more than me should do something about it. More people should appreciate what you do. What we know is not good for us. I don't know exactly what it does, but I know it's not good for us. So thank you to you, and hopefully you reach the point at which you can stop this 5G.
Well,
There's too many things not good for us. Too many things. We don't need this 5G either.
That's the point. We don't know. We have not been given informed consent. So we all have the right to choose, but we need to be informed. Otherwise, they're scamming us. It's a scam. And they sell you a house, and they don't tell you there's problems. So there's problems with this 5G.
It's always a worry when they don't inform you, because usually when they don't inform you, because something is terrible wrong. The other ones, on the good, they keep talking about it. No, in the television, or nobody talk about the news. This 5G, what does it mean? Means it's not good for us. It's a simple.
That's logical.
That's logical.
Good. So
okay.
Well, thank you so much for being here.
If you can give support to the lady, please do so, because 5G is not good for us.
Okay, good. Here's my 5G protest. Thank you very much. Okay.
So
ciao. That was my protest for today. There's not a whole lot of people here. It's winter. It just got winter 26. But